Hello friends, how are you are? And you are again warm welcome to my channel Let's Code with Jay. So I am your friend Jay Sawan, and today we are going to see how we can create a maze game in Scratch. So I hope friends many of you have played the maze game in your mobile, PCs, laptops, etc. So today let's go to see how we can create it in the Scratch. So friends, you can see here I am in the Scratch online editor. So now we will code for the Scratch game, maze game. So let's get started. So first I will delete the existing sprite. So now friends, for the first we have to create a background which will set the maze. So we will go in search engine and search there maze game. So I am searching. So now we will select one maze game from here. So friends, I will select this maze game. It is better for me. So I will save this image. So now I will save as maze game. So you can see I have saved it. Now I will go in the Scratch online editor, and from there I will choose the upload backdrop option. Now I will select the maze game, and you can see it is too small for the window. So now we will resize it first. So I will go in the I will open it. I will open it with Microsoft Office Picture Manager. So I will edit this picture first. Now I will resize it. So I will select the percentage. From that I will make it to, suppose I am making it to 200 or 230. So I have make it to 230. So now I will place OK, or else we will increase again it by 10%. So I have increased it. Now I will save it. So I have saved the picture. Now I will go again in the online editor of Scratch and select from there upload backdrop. Again I will select the same picture. So friends, now you can see it is much better than the first. So we will code for this backdrop now. First we will go in the event category and take when flag is clicked. So first we will make a sprite here, because the sprite is must or necessary here. So we will code first. I will take the sprite as let's take this ball. So I have taken it. I will select the color. So I will take the green ball. Now I will resize it first. So it's too big, so I will make it to 50%. So you can see it is better, but we want more small, so I will take it to 35. So now it is good, it is better for fitting. So now I will code for it. So I will take from the event category, I will take when flag is clicked. Now we will take the when key is pressed. So here we will take key is pressed. So we will make it to, now we will go in the motion category, and from there we will take change x by 10. So why I am taking this, friends? Because on the x-axis it will change the direction, so the ball will move. So I will take first here right arrow. When right arrow is click, change x by, let's take 5. So in the for the left we will take it -5. For the up directions, friends, we have to take here change y, because up and downwards are on the y-axis. So I have taken here y. Now I will make it same 5, and for down -5. So here our movements are over. So you can see here when I press the left, when I place the down arrow, it is moving the same direction. So now we'll go ahead. So first we will set its position. Suppose I am setting it here, so I will make it when flag is clicked, go to x 159 and y 190. So here I have set it. So whenever I will click the flag, it will be on the same position. You can see it is going on the same position. So now we will take the help of the forever. So I will take in the controls, I will take the forever block, and in that I will insert the if then block. So here I will code for if then. I will go in the sensing and take touching color. So you can select here the color from here. So friends, I will select this black color of the maze. So now I will explain you the code. When the flag is clicked, the ball will go to the X on the position, and when black color is touch, it will make a sound. So we'll choose a sound boing. So we'll choose this sound. So we'll take play sound. So when and then we will take the from the motion we will take go to in the same position. So you can see here when flag is clicked, it is moving, and when it touch to the color or the edges, it is making a song. Sorry, we have to take here boing sound. So now I have selected it. So now you can see, so it is going again there. So friends, now we will keep here one gift at the end. So I will take the sprite as gift. So I will select a gift here. So I will take this gift and make it to 30. So no, sorry, 30 is not perfect. I'll make it to 50. Yes friends, so 50 is correct. So I have placed it here. Now I will code for the gift too. So we will code when flag is clicked. When flag is clicked, so here we will go in the controls and take the forever and take if then block, and in the sensing category touching to. So here we will take the help of the ball. So when touching to the ball, it will make a sound. So which sound? We will select a sound that is of wind. I will say. So I will select this wind. So here I will make start. So I will take start sound wind. So you can see here now our the maze game is ready. So now let's play it. So you can see when I click the flag, it is going in the position. So now I will complete the maze. So now again I will try it. So you can choose your own backdrop of maze and create a difficult maze than me. So now I will do it in this chance. I will try my best. So again I will try. So let's go. So we are moving towards the gift. So now I think sorry. So now we are moving towards the gift. So in this chance, sorry friends, I am unable to do it, but I will try it. I am trying. So now I am trying it. Now I think we will go in this chance. We will take the gift. We will catch up the gift. Array. Again it is going. Now it is my final chance. Win or lose, we will see. So I am trying my best. Let's win the gift now. So now I hope I will reach there with the gift. Let's hope so. So I am trying my 100%. Oh yes, I'm going to reach there. Now I'm very close. I have reached there. So friends, now you have seen how it produced the sound of winning. So in the same way, you can create a maze game at your home in your devices. So I hope friends you like my videos and make such a maze games to enjoy. So friends, please like and subscribe my channel to get latest updates of my new videos. So thank you.